The days of hiding or flying under the radar, they're definitely over.
Okay.
So I know that things aren't always easily available online, especially in countries that don't speak a Western language, they don't speak English. It's kind of hard to find, but that's where the importance of getting the right team around you. So as a digital nomad, I think the group that you have is fantastic because you need to be part of
Okay.
an ecosystem where you can tap into the right answers to the questions that you have and be able to know what the right questions are. So basically, it's become more important than ever to have the right team around you to stay out of trouble.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming event are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.